The Quaz marketing firm.
Quaz marketing firm?
Yeah.
They all the books. They always think they have
Black and Nobel. We ship to prisons. You know, I'm here right now with my man Rick Ross. Freeway Ricky Ross, that is. You know, this thing right here, man, this is something powerful for us, man. He traveled 3,000 miles from Los Angeles, South Central California. We here to say thank you for coming through Black and Nobel, supporting everything that we're about. We're about to do the same thing. We're about to make this connection from Philly to LA and get some books out there. We definitely need it nationwide. We appreciate Rick coming through. I met this brother through Mel when he was incarcerated at Texarkana. I'm really honored to have him come out today and spend a little bit of time with us. You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad to be here, man. Like you said, we met in jail. This is like a dream come true. You know what I'm saying, for me to be standing in Philly. I've never been in Philly before. I didn't know nobody in Philly, you know what I'm saying? Even when I was on the street. So for me to be here in Philly right now, from jail, from somebody I met from jail, that shows you the power of unity. So
that's right.
Now we finna put a Black and Nobel in Los Angeles. So that's what's happening. We're making it happen, and we're gonna keep doing it like that.
Live and direct, 2010. April 12th, 2010. We just made history. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate Ricky Ross coming through today. For all those that don't know, you better find out.
I'm up the bookstore, man.
Right off the Barnary sub-stop, Philadelphia, PA. Shot so loud you would think it was a club spot. African Americans, although we all over the web, we the hood librarians. We ship to prisons too. We reach out and deliver to those that's bitten too. But it's more than a bookstore. You want it, we got it. Mixtapes, DVDs, and culture products. Black and Nobel got our hands in a lot of projects. We welcome all to come build. The energy is positive. Every member of the team is awake and conscious. Come through and experience this place of knowledge. They say they'll put it in a book if they wanna hide it from us. But we got them books so you can buy it from us. Something to read while you on a train or riding the bus. Get your read on, food for thought, get your eat on. Black and Nobel, I buy my books at Black and Nobel.